Hello guys, and welcome once again to Medent tutorials. So this is just a quick review on the just ended Krok 2 exams, which was done on the May of 23rd this year. Yes, this is just a quick review on it. Now I've seen a lot of protests about the exams, and I must confess I've been privileged to go through the questions, and it wasn't that easy, taking into account the fact that you guys never had a consistent classes or teachings by your teachers. Even those of us that had that consistency of teachers teaching us, Krok was never easy for us. So yes, I sincerely understand the pain you are going through. As a doctor, I want to do everything that I can, all right, to help you out there. Everything that I can, I will do it to help, all right. But I also need you to also cooperate with me so that we can smash this Krok once and for all. Now, unfortunately, those who have already done the exams, I can't do much. My prayer is that your petitions will be heard, all right. And I think one of the things you people want is either they reduce the marking scheme, or better still, scrap it, right? But scrapping it will be, I think it will be a little bit difficult because they've invested a lot in preparing you guys for these exams. I mean, printing the questions and stuff like that for this exam. So scrapping it off, I'm sure it will be ideal for them. But maybe reducing the marking scheme or the cutoff point, that one is a bit realistic if you ask me. All right, so I'm sure they will consider it, and I'm praying they do consider it. However, if you are given the opportunity to retake the exams, which I think previous years they did for them, all right, they allow people to retake the exams again. So that is where I can help you. All right, so within next couple of days or weeks before your next exams, I'll do my best to explain all the questions to you. Yes, I'll go through the 2023 questions for you, explain it like you guys have been seeing on my website and on my YouTube channel. All right, so I'll go through all the questions, and if you have any question, please just feel free to ask. I might not respond promptly, but definitely within 12 hours to 24 hours, I will definitely respond to you. Okay, so don't hesitate if you have any questions to ask me when the videos are out. I think I've already started releasing some of the videos. I've released a video 2 days ago on the first presentation, all right, and subsequently I'll be adding more. But the concern is that because officially this exams is not yet out, once it's out, what I mean is officially it is not on Krok website. Okay, and when these kind of videos, they easily can go viral. When you go viral, it might get the attention of stakeholders. Yes, the ministry and then those who are involved in Krok, and that can put us in a lot of danger. All right, they can either make the questions very difficult for you, all right, or they can take us on. So in view of that, I'll be putting most of the solved questions or explanations on medentweb.com, So I encourage all of you to go there and subscribe to it, all right, so that all these questions will be there. In addition to the questions, I will be bringing you high yield topics so that you prepare. Like I said, the questions have become tough, and because of your inconsistency in classes due to what we are facing as a country, is expedient that you get to know the higher topics and then prepare adequately. And if time permits us, I might even go through those topics with you guys. So you don't want to miss out on all of these things. So do well to subscribe to the website and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you don't miss anything. All right, so basically this is what I wanted to share with you regarding the review on Krok to 2023. It wasn't easy. It wasn't easy. And I believe it could be the same for those here to write, or it could even be more difficult. So please be prepared and be alert for such things. All right. So thank you once again. Do share and let people know about what we are planning to do. Stay tuned. Peace out.